KATHRYN Villaceran and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, as you've seen on the title, we're going to recreate this makeup look by KATHRYN Bernardo. And if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching! So before I start this vlog, I just really want to thank everyone who subscribe at my YouTube channel, sa mga sumuporta at nagtiwala sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And bilang pasasalamat, magkakaroon po ako ng giveaway and I'll be announcing the mechanics after this video. So for today's video, as you can see, I don't have any makeup products on my face. So this is my bare face. I don't have any makeup products. So today we are gonna be using Villaceran and Careline products para sa ating KATHRYN Bernardo Inspired Makeup look. Disclaimer lang guys, this is not KATHRYN Bernardo Transformation look, but only KATHRYN Bernardo Inspired Makeup look. So let's start!
So first, let's start off with the Villaceran All Day Liquid Foundation. I will be applying it all over my face. This liquid foundation can make your skin look flawless. It is very buildable. It helps to even out skin tone and conceal blemishes. By the way guys, I'm in the shade Oriental since I am a Morena. So here I'm start blending with my makeup sponge that I got from Shopee. And then I continue blending it hanggang sa maging kakulay na yung skin tone ko. So second step, I'll be using this UKAY-UKAY Try-On to set my face. And then I'm gonna be applying this powder using this brush that I got from Shopee as well. And then I apply it all over my face to set my foundation. And then I also apply it all over my lids para it's easier to apply the eyeshadow. And yes, I'm finally done. So moving on with the third step, which is to apply concealer. So I'm using this liquid concealer in the shade Light. And since makapal ang kilay ko at manipis ang kay KATHRYN, so I just simply apply concealer all over my brows. And then I'm start blending it using my fingers. And I'm finally done concealing my brows. And next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Villaceran, which is iconic in the shade Jackpot. And then I started using the third shade on the palette, which is the light brown, since we're achieving the natural makeup look by KATHRYN Bernardo. And yes, we're finally done applying the third shade. And next is we're going to apply the second shade on the palette to create a shiny look. So I'm just using my finger to blend the eyeshadow because it's glittery. It's hard when I use brush, so I use my finger. And yes, I'm finally done with my eyeshadow. And next, I'll be using this Fashion 21 mascara to volumize my eyelashes. mascara. So moving on with the next step, which is to use eyebrow product. I am using this Grace brow liner with mascara in the shade Happy Taupe. So here I am achieving to have this natural brown makeup look. And then I will use this brown mascara. And next step is to put this Careline All Control blush on in the shade Fresh Tomato. And then I will use this Careline Play to Slay for my nose contour. And then I blend it using this paddle brush. And ayan, ang tangos na, di ba? And then the next step is to put highlighter. I'm using this AB Advanced Glow On Highlighter in the shade Strobe. And finally, for the last step is to apply lipstick. So I use 3 shades here, which is the Amore, Bassy, and Toast of New York. So starting off with the first shade, which is in the shade Amore, it is light pink. It's a perfect nude color. Topping off with this second shade, which is Bassy. And lastly, I use the Toast of New York lipstick to create an ombre look.
So I'm finally done with my makeup look. And now I'm going to change my clothes and fix my hair.
Ang iba talaga ang iyong ganda. Oh Miss KATHRYN, sabihin mo naman sikreto mo sa kanila para magkaroon din ako ng isang katulad mo na kaya kong ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Ibang iba talaga ang iyong ganda. Oh Miss KATHRYN, sabihin mo naman sikreto mo sa kanila para magkaroon din ako ng isang katulad mo na kaya kong ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Yeah. Unang kita ko pa lang sa'yo ay nakuha mo na ang atensyon na di ko kayang ibigay sa iba. Ano bang meron ka? Tila kakaiba. Parang may gayumang gandang iyong dinadala. I don't know what to do or even I'm gonna say, cause every time na narin ka ako'y napapraning. Di na
So I'm finally done with my makeup tutorial. So now I'm gonna be announcing the mechanics. So first is you have to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Mae Villaceran, and hit the notification bell. Second is you have to follow me on my Instagram account, which is @Villaceran_May. Third is you have to share this on Facebook publicly and follow me on my Facebook account, Mae Villaceran. Fourth is you have to comment your Facebook name on the comment section here on my YouTube. And lastly is you have to like this video. So basically, that's very easy to join this giveaway. I'm really thankful sa mga sumuporta at sa mga patuloy na naniniwala sa akin. And this is just my first giveaway. And marami pa tayong parating na giveaway kasi malapit na ako mag-birthday.
For my first giveaway, I'll be choosing 2 winners. Anyone can join as long as you follow the mechanics. So for the first winner, you have the chance to win this strobe stick, oil control liquid makeup, oil control face powder, scrunchies, and face mask. So for the second winner, you have the chance to win this iconic LTD lipstick, highlighters, scrunchies, and face mask.
So ayun lang guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka whenever I post a new video.